empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for...
This is the Palace Hotel. It's an Haveli which they have converted into a hotel. This was a real chalet. They actually have these olden time doors.
Let Mama click the photo, okay? Don't make noise. Because it's very beautiful.
Guys, this is the room we have booked in Udaipur. This is a Haveli. This is a proper Haveli, and there are in fact some pictures over here of the Maharajas who used to own this. This is the bed, and most importantly, this is the view, for which I was like, literally like, this is the reason I even wanted this kind of a property only. This is a Lakeview hotel, and the name of the hotel is, I think, Pratap, Ram Pratap or something, and it's got these beautiful windows which are so much, it was a Haveli. This was a Haveli which they are now converting all old Havelis into hotels. It's very lucrative for business for the people who own it, and a good source of income as well. So this is me, and that behind me is the sole reason for taking this particular hotel. We've seen all regular hotels and all, but this is so beautiful, so different, and it's just got that feel of old Rajasthan.
I'm walking alone,